Dancing to me is the spiritual feeling that I get. You know, most people say they dance for the people. I dance really for me. I believe it can keep you young at heart. When you get out there, it's just full of enjoyment, and it can keep you healthy if you're carrying on a tradition that's been around for thousands of years. Once I get out there and I really start listening to that music, I don't think about anything. Everything goes dark.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Guniki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujeli Ta, Turagoon.
Today we are making oven-fried catfish. For this recipe you will need 1 pound of catfish fillets, half a cup of cornmeal, 2 eggs beaten, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika. Preheat oven to 425 degrees. Line baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil for easy cleanup. In a shallow dish, combine cornmeal, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Dip fillet into egg and dredge in cornmeal mixture to coat both sides. Place on baking sheet. The Otoe word for catfish is bihe. Many tribes caught and ate catfish and still do today. There are many kinds of catfish. Most rivers, lakes, and reservoirs have a large number of catfish in them. The type of catfish and traditional stories related to catfish are specific to the tribe or region. Native people harvested catfish in different ways. Noodling, grappling, or a spear were often used to harvest catfish. Traditionally, catfish would be strung on a stick and roasted over a fire or put into soups. Often, fish soup and corn mush were fed to sick people because the meal was full of nutrients and easy to digest. Catfish is rich in protein, nutrients, and healthy fats when prepared with no added fats like roasting or baking. When catching your own fish, a healthy fish should have a firm flesh with no browning, a mild fresh smell, bright clear eyes, red or pink gills, and tight scales. When buying fresh fish, the fish should be refrigerated or on ice. Have a mild fish smell, not fishy, and the flesh should spring back when you touch it. Fresh fish should be stored in the refrigerator straight away and will keep for up to 3 days. Catfish may also be stored in the freezer to extend shelf life. After thawing frozen fish, do not refreeze. Change it up. Other types of fish could be used. Try cod or tilapia. For a little added heat, try adding cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, or oregano to the cornmeal mixture. Low-fat or fat-free milk, about half a cup, could be used in place of the eggs. Bake until crispy and internal temperature reaches 145 degrees, about 15 minutes. Serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 fillet. Enjoy!